Hello guys, this is MD. Today I would like to teach you guys how to set up JDK in Windows operating system in order to compile and run Java source code through CMD. So the first step is for you to download your JDK Java development kit, maybe from the internet or maybe you're having it already. So let me show you the first step how to download JDK. Open your web browser and search for download JDK. So just look for the suitable link. Maybe let me scroll down. Okay, let me choose this link. This. So now let me scroll down. So these are different varieties of JDK. So this for Linux, continue scrolling down. For Mac OS, you continue scrolling down. This for Windows, times 86 and times 64. If your system is 86-bit, which is 32-bit, you can select this one. If your system is 64-bit, you can also select this one. So mostly systems are for 64-bit, so check for your system specification. So you can come here, click on this link. So after clicking on this link, you need to read this concept and accept. Then you click on this checkbox. Then after that, you click on download JDK. So after clicking on this, the JDK will download, but I won't download it because I'm having it on my system. So I just need to show you guys directly. I've already installed it. Just because of time, I don't need to install it because the installation process is simple, so you guys can just install it. It's just all about clicking on next. But if you have problem about that, you can drop me a comment for me to show you how to install the JDK. So now after the installation of the JDK is done, you just have to come to my computer. So after coming to your computer, so you have to right click. No, just come to your local disk C where your Windows is installed. So after clicking on the local disk C, come to your programs files 86. If that is where you located the file, which is the JDK to be installed, then you come here, then you have your Java. So this is the folder of the JDK. You click on it. After clicking on it, you can see JDK and you can see JRE. So you click on the JDK. After clicking on the JDK, you can see bin folder. Click on it. After opening the bin folder, you can see applet viewer, the first one. Then right click on the applet viewer, come to properties, open it. Then after coming to properties, you copy the location. This is the location here. So you copy the location here. So copy the location all, then Control C, or you should just right click and copy. So after copying, just back everything, come back to computer, this logo here, right click on it, come to manage. Just come to properties. So after coming to properties, you can see advanced system option. This procedure you can follow anyway to get to this exact place, but I'm just following the simplest routine. So advanced system settings, click on it. Yeah, sorry, my system is taking time because I just boot it on. So here, after clicking on advanced system settings, then you come to environmental variables. After clicking on the environmental variables, you click on new button. After clicking on new, you write path, PATH. So after writing path, you come to variable value. The variable name is path. Variable value, then you paste the location you copied. Control V, you paste, then OK. Then click on OK again. Click on OK. So then that's all. So you have to check your CMD. maybe it has already done. So now you are going to search for your CMD, enter. Then now you are going to type Java C. Java C means Java compilation, so you are just going to check maybe the compilation settings is already done. So for you seeing this message, that means the compilation settings is done. But for you seeing just a short error, maybe it doesn't understand the code, that means it is not okay. So for me to show you how to run something through CMD now, let me just sharply create a folder here on my desktop. So after creating the folder, let me just name it a Java. So I name it Java. Inside the Java folder, let me just create a txt file, because I will use txt now to document my source code. So after creating the txt file, just open the txt file. So in the txt file now, I need to write my source code. So I will start with what? Public class. So let me write public class. So don't forget the class name, it starts with capital letter HEMDEE. Then you open your opening curly braces, closing curly bracket. Then you give it a space in the middle. Then here you start with your what? Your main method, which is your what? Public static void main string. The S of the string is capital letter string. Then you write your array. Then after the array you write args. Public static void main. This is inside bracket string. No. Yeah, so now I'm trying to make a source code that will print hello world. So you write your public static void main string array args. Then into you open your opening curly brace, closing curly bracket. Then inside you can maybe write anything part of your source code, because this you created the main method. So here I can just write system, the S is in capital letter, system dot out dot print line, maybe opening bracket. So I can talk, this is a tutorial by HEMDEE. Then I will terminate my statement. So that's all. So let me save. Control S. So I'm going to save. So I can just come here, save as. Then maybe let me save it as. So I must save it the same name as my class name here. The same name as the class name, which is HEMDEE. The first letter must be in capital letter, so it will be what? HEMDEE. Then I'll save it with Java extension, because I'm trying to make a Java source code. So .java save. So that's all. So in this case I'm having, so I can delete this text file because it's not of use. So I'm having what? MD here. So let me go to my CMD. Now I'm in, okay, let me open CMD command prompt. So now I'm going to write what? CD desktop, because my file is in desktop and inside what? Java folder. So I'm going to locate it as CD desktop, which is change directory desktop. So the directory is changed. Now I'm in desktop, so I'm going to enter inside what? Java folder. So CD Java. So now I'm in Java's folder. Let me check, maybe dir. So dir, now I'll see the file. So can you see I'm having md.java here. So I'll do what? Java C, which is Java compilation. For me to compile my source code, I'll write Java C. So let me write the file name as it is, HEMDEE.java. So after clicking on enter, the tool will check if there is error. It will bring the error. If there is no error, it will just bring the next line. Immediately it will just bring the next line. That means no error. So let's wait for the output. So can you see the output? It's just pop up another line, no error. If there is error, I'm supposed to see the errors here. So now what I need now, the compilation is done. So what I need now is for me to run the source code. So I'm just going to write Java, only Java now, no C. Then I will write the class name. The class name too is the same name as the file name, so I'll write it HEMDEE. So this one too, there is no .java extension because I'm not compiling, I'm just running the class. So I'm just calling the class name for the source code to run. So I'll click on enter. So I will see the output now. So this tutorial is this is a tutorial by HEMDEE. So that's what is inside the source code, just for it to print output. So we are done. So please guys, don't forget to subscribe. It does not take you any time, and please don't forget to like the video for me to make another one. Thanks.